Hello and welcome back. Today we will massage our forehead. Smooth forehead lines, get rid of frown lines, and work on removing forehead wrinkles with this simple yet effective forehead massage technique that has worked for me with consistent practice. So let's get started. First, we will get some cream or oil and apply on our forehead and skin so we don't damage our skin by pulling on a dry surface. Too much pressure or friction can create tiny tears in the skin. Make sure you're applying to a clean skin with your clean hands. Our first step is tapping. Tapping the forehead before a massage stimulates blood and lymph flow, promoting nutrient delivery, reduces puffiness, and encourages collagen production for brighter skin. Do it all over the face as it feels so refreshing. Also helps releasing stress and tension by signaling the brain to secrete endorphins and activate the parasympathetic nervous system, creating a more relaxed state before the massage begins. So never skip this part. Make a hook of your index finger and glide from the center of your forehead. Go all the way from between your eyebrows till your hairline. Follow along. Do it for 10 to 20 times in a day for visible results. Now with your index finger and middle finger, go on crisscross movement as you move up till the hairline. Do it for 8 to 10 times again. When you raise your eyebrows, frown, or squint, your forehead muscles contract. These repeated movements create creases in the skin over time. Over time, these folds can deepen and become permanent even when the face is at rest. Now massage your temples like this and come down to the front of your ears and drain down to the clavicle. Drain all the toxins to the clavicle. Now with your palm, go from between your eyebrows to the hairline. This is an excellent movement to lift and iron the wrinkles on your forehead or prevent them from appearing. Now add resistance on the corner of your eyebrow and lift with your index finger like this and move till the other eyebrow. Other factors that lead to forehead lines, forehead wrinkles, or frown lines could be sun damage, smoking, aging, genetics, lifestyle factors such as dehydration, high stress level, poor nutrition, environmental factors, which I have a detailed video on this channel. Do check it out and the direct link in the description below. The physical movement of a facial massage increases blood flow to the face, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to the skin cells. This process stimulates the production of collagen and elastin proteins, crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness, which can diminish the appearance of wrinkles over time. Now with the index finger on the eyebrow, rub with your index finger horizontally and go up till the hairline each time. Follow along and do it for 8 to 10 times. Frown lines and other forehead wrinkles are often caused by repetitive muscle contractions from stress or habitual expressions. Forehead massage helps to release built-up tension in the facial muscles, particularly the frontalis muscle, which can prevent lines from forming. Gentle forehead massage technique can encourage the flow of lymph, a fluid that helps remove toxins and waste from the body. Improved lymphatic drainage can reduce puffiness and promote a healthier, more radiant complexion, making skin appear smoother. Moving on to our next massage technique, go from the temples to the hairline, lifting in a crisscross movement. Do it for 8 to 10 times. Our next massage technique is using our whole palm to go on from temples to hairline in a same movement as before. You will feel the tightness of firmer forehead skin. Now go horizontally with your palms covering your forehead. Go from one corner of your forehead to the another corner with your both palms for 8 to 10 times. Again, drain the fluid all the way to the clavicle, a very important step in every face massage. Now use your knuckles to massage horizontally like this. You might feel a little redness on your forehead, but that's for only this time, so don't worry. It's a temporary. Now place your palm above your left eyebrow and make a hook with your index finger and slide with the flat part on the other half of the forehead like this, and do it for 8 to 10 times. Let's repeat on the other side as well for the same amount of time. Now slowly with your fingertips lift from the eyebrows till the hairline like this all the way through your scalp till down to your scalp. The scalp, neck and facial muscles are closely linked and can work synchronously. When the scalp muscles are tight, this tension can spread and cause related muscles in the face and jaw to become tense or even overwork to compensate, which results in wrinkles on forehead, fat pockets and wrinkles under eyes. Muscles holding onto the cheekbones become loose and form mouth lines, also known as laugh lines or nasolabial folds, which I have a different video on the channel to work on your nasolabial folds. To check it out. Eventually, it results to jowls. Releasing the scalp and alleviate the strain helps facial muscles to relax. Now go all the way from your temples to the sides of your scalp and end at the back of your head. Improved blood flow from face massage also helps your skin better absorb skincare products, allowing them to be more effective. Now move it like this. Place the heel of your palm on your temples, placing the palms all flat. Move the scalp like this, working on your tissues and scalp muscles together. Now grab on the sides of the scalp behind your ear with your fingertips, massage like this and move to the middle of the scalp. Repeat on the other side. Go all the way from the nape till behind your ear and massage with your fingertips like this. Next move is going zigzag with your knuckles from one end to the other end of your temple. The zigzag motion helps relax the frown lines and tight muscles. When muscles are no longer held in a tight, restricted state, they can function more efficiently and move more freely. This improves overall mobility, prevents the wrinkles and forming lines on forehead and all over our face. Always make sure that your hands and face are thoroughly washed and clean before applying or touching your face. Touching the face with unwashed, unclean hands can transfer oil and bacteria from your hands. Unwashed face can potentially lead to clogged pores and breakouts. Always massage your face gently, as excessive or intense pressure can irritate the skin. Use non-comedogenic oil or cream for massaging the face, as reactions can occur from skincare products used during the massage, especially strong actives or unfamiliar formulas. Always read the ingredients. Now massage your temples with your knuckles in front of your ears and drain the fluid down to the clavicle. End the massage with draining all the toxins to the clavicle. This lymphatic drainage massage should be done at the end of every face massage. That was it, guys. I hope you find this video useful. Do like and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon because I get new and improved face massage techniques every week. Bye.